here crying my heart out, a silent broken plea, knowing that no one cares, no one sees the real me. Just a body on the floor, lost in the shadows deep. My screams echo through the house while they all just sleep. They're on the couch like emotionless dolls, their eyes so vacant and cold, without a care in the world, while my story goes untold. Suffering alone, with nothing left to lose or claim, each cut a crimson line, whispering my silent name. Watching the blood drip down, a morbid scarlet rain, trying to relieve the pain, a soul consumed by pain. Wishing there was still a spark, a flicker of hope remains, but day after day I bleed, adding to these endless chains. They're on the couch like emotionless dolls, their eyes so vacant and cold, without a care in the world, while my story goes untold. Suffering alone, with nothing left to lose or claim, each cut a crimson line, whispering my silent name. Year after year my screams died down with the fading light in my soul, nothing left to hold on to as I lose all control. Let my body drown in pain, I know things will never change, wishing for a hand to reach, to pull me from this range, wishing someone would stop me before I fade away, someone to show me hope, a brighter brand new day. But there's no one left to care, to offer love or grace. They have themselves to blame for this forsaken place. They're on the couch like emotionless dolls, their eyes so vacant and cold, without a care in the world, while my story goes untold. Suffering alone, with nothing left to lose or claim, each cut a crimson line, whispering my silent name. As I lay here dying, the silence starts to creep. They have